Sleek Bill users, welcome to the Sleek Bill Knowledge Hub. First, open your browser and type www.sleekbill.in. Then press enter. On the top right corner, click on the login button. Now, enter your login credentials and sign in to your account. After logging in, you will land on the dashboard. From the menu, click on Items. Now, click on the New button to add a new item. Here, try entering a product with a name that already exists. You will notice that Sleek Bill does not allow saving duplicate item names by default. To allow duplicate item names, go to the bar menu and click on Preferences. In the Preferences window, open the General tab. Scroll down and find the option Allow Duplicate Item Name. Now, turn this option on. Finally, click on the Save button. Now, go back to the Items section and click on New again. Enter the same product name as before and save it. This time, you'll be able to add the duplicate items successfully.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with others in need. For more videos like this, click the bell icon and subscribe.